Hey, what's up everybody? Brent from Brent Speed. Thanks so much for watching Brent Speed TV. Today's gonna be a short one. It's a 15 GT bone stock Roush supercharged. We just installed that blower. It's laying down over 650 real horsepower. Manual transmission car. Hey, if you haven't, please subscribe. Hit notify us up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. Okay, before we watch this dyno pull on this 100% sleeper right here, here's what we have. It's the Roush, the Phase 2 kit. 727 flywheel rated horsepower. Doug, come down and take a look. TVS 2300 supercharger. We love these. We use these all the time back in the day, even back in the 3-valve days. We're on them on Coyotes now. Get the big air induction system, throttle body, fuel upgrade, complete kit. If you have more questions about this, because I'm talking fast, open that description, click on this blower. You can read a lot more about it. Email quote@brentspeed.com. What's this cost to get installed? Check out this dyno pull. All right, this is really cool considering these cars are about 400 real horsepower from the factory. Dynojet SAE 651 real horsepower, peaking at 6,800 RPM. Torque comes in, love this, 565, peaking at 4,600. Awesome torque across the board. We're over 500, just over 3,000 RPM. This car is going to be so fast on the street. From simply installing a Phase 2 Roush supercharger, again, flywheel rated, 727. We're on a Dynojet. We're talking rear wheel numbers here on that dyno graph. But it's a cool car. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Happy to answer. And if you like videos like this, I want to put a link at the end to a bunch of other S550 Roush supercharged videos so you can see all the different options on making power like this or maybe even more. Thanks for watching.